It's a fantastic day. All the dogs are out and I went and bought some wood. And today I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna start building the frames for the windows. Alright, that's one frame done. Let's head upstairs, see if it fits, and if so, it's rinse and repeat. Dogs are enjoying themselves and I'm working indoors building frames. All right, let's go. See what the dogs are up to so I can hear them. One in there. And the other ones are here. Saw Tony right there just a second ago. And now he's here. All right, let's head upstairs. This room is finished. Or at least until I get the plastic. I did this one slightly smaller and it fits perfect. So I'm just gonna attach it later on whenever I have the plastic. And that one fits perfectly there. Now I'm gonna head downstairs to the office and make one for that room. Actually, I changed my mind. I am going to head upstairs and do the bathroom instead. That's more important than the office, since I won't be able to finish. All right. We still have the issue with the damping in the floor, which is a lot better now since I did this. That's helped a lot. Okay, it hasn't been raining a lot since I did it either, but still it's dried up. So I'll head up to the green bathroom and measure there instead, and I also need to deal with that situation in here. We are going to lower this window, so I might remove a few bricks here and then do something similar here. We'll see about that, if that's gonna happen today or not. I quite like having the option of opening this window for now. It's actually letting a lot of warm air into the house, because it's actually colder inside the house than it is outside the past couple of days. So this house really is built for keeping cool, which is great in the summer, not so great in November. Plastic arrived yesterday. I will now attach it to the frames, and then I can attach the frames to the windows and remove the old windows. That's one window attached, and now I just need to fix it a bit. It's a real snug fit. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, but I'm gonna put a few screws in just to fix it properly, and then that should be it. That's one window down. I use these hammer nails to fix it, which I don't have any more of, so I need to go get some more. That's one window down. I used these hammer nails to fix that, so it shouldn't go anywhere. I run out of those, so I need to go get some more, but that window is not going anywhere, and now I can move on to this and one in the bathroom. I have shown this so many times before, but this is the condition of our current windows. It's not great. So those will come in handy for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and start dismantling this window so that I can do some measurements. I can do some work up here, try to finish that, and then move over to that window. And then in the near future, start working on these walls properly, taking care of that, fixing all the remaining plaster, and then first layer of paint to even out the grain issue we have on the walls. So the old window ledge is gone, and it's actually full of ladybugs everywhere. I also found these ones, which I've never seen before. Where are we? Here. An inverted ladybug. I'm going to continue. I'm going to clean up a bit, remove all the loose bits. I'm gonna head downstairs into the basement and see if I can take care of the window which is underneath here, because this damp issue is back and I'm not sure where that is from. I mean, it's rather cold, etc. in the house, but it might be because we are missing the, well, not the window, every window basically in the basement as well. So I'll see. I mean, it's very, very moist down here. That might be a problem. That's not in great condition. What I'll see if I can make a frame, put a frame here with plastic and see if that helps. But I'm suspecting the damp is not coming from there. It's coming from here, which is the drainage issue we have. But I'm gonna give it a try. So that's done. I'm not sure it's gonna help. It's better than nothing, I guess. I've built 3 windows in this episode, and I'm gonna leave it like that. In the next one, my friend is coming from Sweden. We are gonna work in the office or do something else. I'm gonna let him decide. Until next time, ciao. I just keep looking at houses that are fairly similar to ours, but we are in Cremona for Festa del Terrone, which is a market or a fair for a local delicacy, which is that sort of thing. And we are having a nice and lovely sunny day. I'm mostly filming houses though.